So hello guys, today we are going to discuss this problem, body strings. This is lead code 859. So the problem is actually easy, but there are a lot of edge cases, corner cases, which needs to be looked into. That's why let's discuss this problem. So the problem says is there are given two strings, s and goal, and we have to return true if we can swap two letters from s and it should become equal to goal. So remember only two letters, right? So swapping of letter takes place taking two indices I and j, and I should not be equal to j. That's fine. So for example, if we have this example a, b, c, d, and we swap 0 and 2 indexes, that is a swapped with c, so it will become cbad. So now these two, this is if this is a, this is s, this is goal. So we have to return true in this case. So here if we see AB and BA, if we swap A and B with each other, it becomes equal to goal, so return true. If it is AB, now we should always do the swap. That's the prerequisite. So if we swap it BA and becomes AB, so it will return false, not equal. Now in case of AA, we'll do a swap, that is A swap to A, it becomes AA, and the things are equal. So let's look at some other examples as well. Okay. So these examples we have already looked into. So here as well, let's swap A and A. So still it's AA. So this returns true. This we have already looked into. So let's look into this example, which is AB, and AB. So here we need to return true because if we swap this A with this A, so the string still remains the same and it will be equal to goal. So hence we need to return true. In case of single character string, we need to return false because we cannot swap two characters. And this is one case. We'll swap B and E, right? So E and B are swapped and hence it returns true. So how we are going to do it? We are going to let us go through the code. Okay, it's pretty simple. ON solution it is. So first of all, if the sizes of the two strings, that is s and goal, are not equal, we are going to return false. Or if the size is smaller than 2, that is 1. In case of 1, we cannot swap because we need two swaps, two elements to swap. So in that case, we will also return false. Now, if s and goal are equal, so what we will do, we will count the number of letters in S. So we have created a map where we are going through all the elements and we are counting all the elements in S. For example, if this is A, so in that case it will become A4, something like this. And if it is AB, the another examples, so it will become A2 and B2, something like this, right? So if the size is 1, that means we are not smaller than 1 and we have only one kind of letters, that is only one letter which is repeated, then we have to return true because we have the case of A and AA. So this is that case. Now if size is greater than 1, so unordered map size has like it has two different characters, right? So in that case we will go and check that if any of the count of the letter in the unordered map is greater than 2, we have to return true. Because let's take this example here. Okay, we have A, B, C, D, right? This is one, and we have A, B, and C, D. So what we'll do, what our unordered map will return here. So in this case, the unordered map will be, we are only counting for S. Unordered map will be A will be 1, A will be 2, B will be 2, C will be 1, and D will be 1. So if any of the count of the letter is 2, that means we can swap these two same letter characters. So remember, the unordered map we are only using to count the same letter characters. So here in this case, if A is 2, we can swap this A and still this remains same as the second string because we know that we are in the case of S is equal to goal. So we will return true. Now all our base cases, edge cases are handled. Then we will go into this loop. So now we are on this, let's suppose this input A, B, C, D, E, F, and we have another as A, E, C, B, D, F, right? So we will swap B and E and this will become equal. So what we are doing is we are iterating through S. We are checking any character in S is not equal to goal, right? If it is not equal to goal, which happens on the index 1, so this will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. On index 1, B is not equal to E. So in that case, we will note the first difference as the index. That is, first difference is 1. And on the other hand, the second difference we will note, which is E. So E is not equal to D. So we have the first difference is equal to 1 and second difference is equal to 4. Then we'll swap these. So after swapping 1 and 4, A, B, C, D, E will become equal to A, C, B, D, F. So we'll swap those, and if the goal and the S are equal, we'll return true, otherwise we'll return false. So the time complexity of this algorithm is O(n) because in one loop we are filling in the map, then in another loop we are just checking S and goal uh, by running in O(n) time. The space complexity would be O(n) because we are using a map here. Thanks a lot. Have a good day. Bye.